Welcome to a groundbreaking discussion on revolutionizing the game technology used in Cricket World Cup 2023. In a world where technology is shaping every facet of our lives, how is it transforming cricket? Join me as we explore the impact of innovation on player performance, fan engagement, and decision making. What new possibility and challenges lie ahead? Let's dive into exhilarating journey together as we redefine the future of cricket. Cricket, often hailed as gentleman game, has undergone significant transformations in both its gameplay and worldwide fan engagement. The 2023 Cricket World Cup is emerging as game-changing moment in the sports history, where technology is taking the center stage, reshaping how the game was played, observed, and analyzed. Cutting-edge innovation such as Ultra Edge and Hawkeye technology is going to play an important role in ensuring fair decision making by detecting subtle bat edges and providing precise ball tracking, thus eliminating any on-field disputes. Furthermore, wearable technology is going to play instrumental in helping players optimize their performance and reduce the risk of injuries.